Hit the bullseye, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English phrase, hit the bullseye. This idiom is not only colorful but also packed with interesting history and usage. So, let's aim our linguistic arrows and hit the target of understanding together. The phrase, hit the bullseye, refers to achieving something with precision, hitting exactly what one is aiming for. Originally derived from the sport of archery, where the bull's eye is the center of the target and scoring it yields the highest points, this idiom has transcended its literal meaning to convey success or accuracy in various contexts. Delving into the history, hit the bull's eye dates back to the days when archery was not just a sport but a vital skill for survival and combat. The bull's eye, being the most challenging part of the target to hit, represented the pinnacle of an archer's skill. Over time, this concept found its way into everyday language, symbolizing peak achievement or exactness in any field, not just archery. Now, let's see how you can incorporate hit the bullseye into your daily conversations or writings. This idiom is versatile and can be used in a variety of scenarios. Achieving a goal. With his innovative solution, he really hit the bull's eye and impressed the clients. Making a correct guess or assumption. When she deduced the reason behind the delay, she hit the bull's eye. Delivering a perfect response. His comeback was so witty, he just hit the bull's eye. If you're keen on expanding your idiom arsenal, here are a few similar expressions that convey the idea of achieving perfection or accuracy. On the mark indicates something is accurate or correct. Right on target, similar to hitting the bull's eye, it means achieving a goal with precision. Spot on, a British expression that also means exactly right or accurate. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, hit the bullseye. We hope this video has sharpened your understanding of this idiom and added another arrow to your quiver of English expressions. Remember, learning idioms not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the language. Thanks for watching, and we hope you hit the bull's eye in your English learning journey.